everyone, I'm back again with yet another topic. Now it's time to enhance our knowledge about Germany. So let's start with it. Let's start with some of the interesting facts about Germany. So this is hello. Hello means hello, and then in reply we get Grüß. That means Grüß and hello means the same. Now, I'll just let you know the colors of the German flag flying at the top here. So, at the top we have black color, then in the middle we have red, and at the bottom is the gold. Okay. So now, what is the population of Germany? At present, that means April 2020, the population of Germany is around 84 million. Huge number, isn't it? Yeah. Famous German personalities. I hope you know many, but I have just mentioned two. One is Albert Einstein, that means the famous scientist Albert Einstein. And the other person I've mentioned here is Steffi Graf, who's the tennis player. Now, what is the capital of Germany? I hope you all already know it, but just to emphasize, just to focus more, the capital of Germany is Berlin. But do you know it is also the largest city? Berlin is also the largest city. Okay, now comes the turn most popular sport in Germany. So what is the most popular sport in Germany? You could just make out from the picture. Yeah, correct. It is Fußball. That means it's football and it's also called soccer. Wow, and now the currency. The currency of Germany is euros. Euros. Okay, now we come to the German companies. There are many German companies, many German car companies. So the main companies are Mercedes-Benz, BMW, that is BMW, Audi, Volkswagen. Volkswagen, yeah, it's not Volkswagen, it is F because V is pronounced as F, so it's Volkswagen. Okay, now just the basic thing. What is Deutsch? Deutsch is German. Deutsch means German. Then what is Deutschland? Deutschland means Germany. And what is Deutschen? Deutschen are the native people of Germany. That is, German people are called Deutschen. Now it's time to leave. So what do we say? Choose. Choose means bye. That means a friendly bye. And then Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen. Auf Wiedersehen is the formal way of saying bye. Now, Dankeschön. Thanks a lot and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos. Do click on the bell icon to receive notification when a new video is uploaded. Tschüss! Auf Wiedersehen! Okay, bye bye. Take care.